Welcome back to Sunrise Studios. I'm Mike, and I'm one of our executives here at Sunrise Technologies, with over 30 years of experience in the industry. Microsoft is more than Office, Windows, and Azure. A lot more. The entire business world uses Microsoft products daily. Top of mind is obviously the Microsoft Office suite, but we are talking about a huge network of business applications that work seamlessly with the Office suite. In fact, Microsoft is the only player that has it all: the infrastructure, the platform, and the applications. It's everything from supply chain management, finance, commerce, CRM, field service, Power Automate. You name it, Microsoft has it. And the best thing, everything is running in Azure and is engineered to work together. A unique aspect of the Microsoft ecosystem is that it allows your business to naturally grow in other areas. Starting with ERP is no longer a requirement. So you can start small, or more specifically, start with that source of your pain. And that means adding in a new business application is easy due to the connected nature of Microsoft's design. So there are two important aspects of connectivity. First, from an IT perspective, there's a single source of the truth for all the company's data. Second, and most importantly, from the customer's perspective, there's really only one mic. Whether I buy online or in the store, the company knows who I am because there's one version of all of my transactions. It's a consumer expectation, and Microsoft does it best. Their ability to invest and innovate is unmatched.